been a rough morning. Had major thunderstorms come through. It's probably around 11 o'clock now, so I'm getting a really late start. But now today is going to be all about working on my electrical. Well, actually, the rest of the week and part of next week probably. So I'm going to be getting that done. And as you can see in here, is just some of it. I'm waiting on a bus block to come in. And of course, my battery is under there. I'm waiting for my 2 battle boards to come in and the AC to DC charger. So I'm going to start getting things set up. All the 12 volts coming in from over here. I'm going to put on this bus bar. That way I can reroute the wiring. Make it quicker and easier. And then I'm going to, of course, move that. I'm going to put in a shut off, which is coming from the solar. Plus, I've got my fuses going in, A&L fuses, my cabling, my Victron controller, 2000 watt inverter, and I talked to 2 or 3 people that have been out on the road and they like this one, so we'll give this one a try. I've got 2 more zombie lights to go up. So the hard work really starts now. Stick with me, I'll show you how it goes. Well, here's my workstation for right now. Trying to figure out how to set all that up. I'm just starting to take it apart little by little. My batteries won't be until Friday, so I'm not going to do a whole lot, but I'm going to get as much done as I can. My original layout. Then I've got the wire size for amps, my inverter and Electron energy, and this book has helped a lot for newbies like me. So I'm getting there. I took this cover off the step, and here's my 1 battery and the custom frame I built when in Parker, Arizona last year at the van build. I did about half the work, but it'll hold up to 5 batteries now instead of 1. So this is my work table, my Murphy table, all the junk up there. And about the 3rd week of September, I'll start packing the bus up, getting ready to go out to Georgia first, and then Arizona. All right. Stick with me.